Let's learn some vocabulary words that start with letter D. Knock knock. Who is it? Dog. Dog. Dog starts with letter D. A dog is a carnivorous mammal that has a very strong sense of smell. They make lots of different noises. They can bark, they can howl, or they can whine. Dog. Some people have dogs as pets. What's next? Knock knock. Who is it? Dice. Dice. Dice starts with letter D. A dice is a cube that has a different number of dots on each side. The dots range from 1 to 6. Dice. What's next? Knock knock. Who is it? Diamond. Diamond. Diamond starts with letter D. A diamond is a type of shape that has 1, 2, 3, 4 equal sides. A diamond has 1, 2 obtuse angles, or big angles, and 1, 2 acute angles, or small angles. Diamond. What's next? Knock knock. Who is it? Desert. Desert. Desert starts with letter D. A desert is a very barren habitat that is hot during the daytime and has very little precipitation or rainfall. Let's make an observation about this desert. It looks like this desert is filled with sand on the ground. Desert. What's next? Knock knock. Who is it? Dinosaur. Dinosaur. Dinosaur starts with letter D. A dinosaur is a fossil reptile that lived many, many years ago. Dinosaurs came in many different shapes and sizes and colors. The dinosaur in this picture is called a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Dinosaur. We have one more. Knock knock. Who is it? Density. Density. Density starts with letter D. One way you can describe density is how heavy an object is in the water. If an object is heavier or more dense than the water, it will sink. If an object is lighter or less dense than the water, it will float. Density.